Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to determine the overall audit approach. The audit planning memo has 4 components: risk, approach, materiality, and procedures. We talk about the overall financial statement level risk in another video. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. An auditor can use a substantive approach or a combined approach. A substantive approach focuses only on substantive procedures, while a combined approach focuses on test of controls and substantive procedures. Please remember to review the case carefully to identify whether it is an audit or review engagement. The approach for review engagement is different. To determine which approach to use, we have to consider the risk of material misstatement, the nature of business, the control environment, and whether controls are operating effectively. In addition, we need to take into account whether it is a new client or a repeat client. Finally, we need to evaluate whether it is efficient to use a combined approach. Each case is different, and you need to consider the information given in the case. For a competent response, you need to use case facts in your analysis and discuss their impact on the audit approach. For example, if the case states that there are multiple control violations, this might indicate that controls are not operating effectively. If it is a repeat client, you need to consider the approach used in the prior year and whether the same approach can be used. If there are any high-risk accounts or transactions that require substantive procedures, you need to identify those as well. Finally, please conclude on the overall approach. Always provide a conclusion. Thank you for watching. I wish you all the best with your CPA journey.